Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change region on Steam. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the store, the library, the community, and your profile. Also in the middle of the screen, we have your store, new and noteworthy categories, and the search bar in the middle of your screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change region on Steam. So changing your region on Steam can help you access different game libraries and pricing. Launch the Steam client on your computer, as I already told you. Click on Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. So click on Steam and one before last, Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Downloads. So go and find Downloads. It is here almost in the middle. Click on Download Region drop-down list and choose the new region you want. Then click OK to save your changes. If you want to make purchases in the new region, you may need to update your payment method to one that is valid in the region. Just keep in mind that changing your region might affect your access to certain games and content, so make sure to check the availability in the new region. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.